Hello everyone, REPL.IT boy here, and today I'm going to show you how to do styling in CSS for HTML. If you haven't watched the first video, then go back and I'll put a card up in the top right, but go back and watch that video so you can see how we got to where we are right now and how to do all of this and what website we're using. But if you have already done that, or you already know what you're doing in this part, you can just go ahead and go straight to CSS. So once you're in CSS, you can go here and you can start adding stuff, of course. And for example, so what I'm going to do for basic, we're going to make all of this, everything in the body, we're going to put it in the middle, we're going to put it, might make it bold, and we'll change the font to like Arial. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to start with putting body, and you're going to put curly brackets, and then that. So now, we can go in here and we can put, text, and it's already right there. We'll put center, and then semicolon. We'll put font dash family, and then we'll put Arial. After that, we can put font dash size. Now you have your size, and you can put I like to do it in pixels, so you can do something like 50px, and then another semicolon. So now you'll see, if we refresh, it's in the middle. And if we want to specialize one thing, for example, we want to specialize the header, you can do H1, go back and then put in whatever you need. Right now, we're not going to do that though, because this is fine how we have it. So it just says dogs are cool because they are playful, and then you've got your type of dogs. Well, since we have our types of dogs right here, we're going to add some stuff. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a new body element. Now this body element is not going to hold any like text or anything like that. This is just going to hold a picture. So we'll just search up dogs and go to images. We can choose, let's choose this one. So we just save this image, call it whatever you want, so we can call it dogs, and it's going to download. And now what we can do, we can go back to REPL, we can drag it in, we can close this, and now we've got our dogs.jpg. Well, now what we can do that, and then slash, and that. So what we do, we now do source, and then we can put dogs.jpg. Now, if we go back to the website and we run it, should show us a picture of the dog. That's just the very basics of styling. There's, of course, way more you can do with styling, and there are other ways to get a picture. For example, you would go back, you would take it, and you would copy the image address, and then instead of putting the dogs.jpg, you would put the actual address. Now you can see why you actually take the name, because if you weren't to, it'd be a lot of work. We can just Control Z, get that back, and it's still there. Now you can use any picture of a dog you want. I just picked this one, or you can use any picture in general depending on what you're doing. But that's really it for styling. It's super simple. Maybe we can add a bit more in the next video. I don't really have much more to say in this video except for that. I mean, of course there are more things to put in this website, and maybe you're not even doing a dog's website. Like I said in the last video, maybe you're doing a cat website, or a website about birds, and that's what you want right here. Your own little dog, all that. I do want to go ahead and say something. If you're looking for more in-depth things, or you just like to read tutorials instead of watch tutorials, you can go to w3schools.com. So you can just go, and mine's already set to the HTML because I come in here the most, but it'll show you how to do colors, and you can do all that. And it's super easy. So, for example, So for example, we want some text color for our text. So, and we just want it for the header. So what we can do is we can go to H1, curly brackets, put color, and then we can put any color that we want. So we can just put red for now. Alright. You can refresh. Now it's red, and then everything else is whatever you want it to be. And then what you can do, you can go to background color down here, and you can make it whatever you want. So we make, it's gonna hurt my eyes. This isn't permanent. It's just, so now you've got like a blue background. Probably not gonna use blue. How about something like gray would work better, depending on what kind of person you are. You can change, and the same thing goes whenever you want to change just one thing. You don't have to use H1. You can use the paragraph, you can use H3, whatever you want. That's really just the basics of styling. Like I said, you can always go here, you can go find way more stuff, for example links, and I guess I'll go ahead and do links in this video because they're super simple. So so as you can see, it just, you do open, you do all that, and then you finish it off. So we can go back to REPL, go into here, we go into here, and then we can do nature. So I don't really put links into my websites that much anymore. So that's why I keep on coming back here every once in a while. Then we can do that, we can just /a, and then inside we can say my channel, and while we're here we can go to YouTube. Since we're in YouTube, we can go over to here and go to my channel and copy the link and go back to REPL, put the link in there, and then whenever you run the website, you'll see that we have a new link. Now I don't know why it did that with that, so maybe I can try using a line break. Maybe that'll work. Yeah, see. Alright, so now we've got my channel. We can click on the link and it's gonna bring me to my YouTube channel right here. That's about it for this video about styling, along with some links and other stuff. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll make sure to do another one. Just comment below what you want to see next, and that's about it. Bye.